Hi guys!
Good morning.
Good morning. What date is today? I don't remember anymore.
It's
Tuesday, August 5. So, remember yesterday we went fishing. Nagulat ako kasi may nakuha kami doon guys na Atlantic Bonito. Nathan calls it Bonita. Ewan ko guys kung ano yung totoo kasi hindi man ako mahilig sa mga isda-isda. Uy, tilapia. I only know tilapia. Mga hito. Mga ganyan guys.
I'm gonna cook the sausages in case we don't like the bonito.
Okay. Yung bonito daw guys, or whatever you call it, no Americans eat this. Sabi niya.
No Americans will eat this. Oh, we don't want no bonito.
Sabi ko, ha? And then I check online, it's a member of tuna family. Ito pa ang mas nakakatawa. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, sus Ginoo, Atlantic Bonito. Tulingan pala ito sa atin sa Pinas, guys. Ngayon, sabi ko, magkuha lang ako ng konting meat.
I'll show you. Look how
Bloody. Ay, sabi ni John, it tastes like iron.
If you look at this one, it's a lot lighter in color. Our leftover.
The black pin.
Yeah,
The
very
black pin tuna.
light in color.
How do you cook it?
I'm gonna put seasoning on it and just fry it in the pan.
Ako naman kasi guys, no, hindi ako basta-bastang nagja-judge sa isang pagkain kapag hindi ko pa natikman. You have your own taste bud. We have our own taste bud, just like the dried fish.
Right.
They don't like dried fish. We Filipinos like dried fish. So, why not give it a chance? Kaya sabi ko, wag mong itapon. Tapos yung mga buto, darling.
Oh, Nathan, what are you doing? No, I'm gonna make soup out of this one.
The bone. He was throwing it away. Back to the sink. Also, John is cooking shakshuka. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun, guys. It's a sauce for the egg daw. Bakit ang daming mga pa-itchus ito? Sa atin, mga fried egg, boiled egg, sunny side up. Sa kanila, mga shakshuka. I don't know what the spelling. So, ito daw ay sauce para sa gagawin ni John na shakshuka egg dear. It's really nice to try out new things, guys. This is actually first to me. Yung mangisda sa dagat. Actually, nakatry naman ako mangisda last time, like when I was younger. Pero wala kaming nakukuha. Pero sa sapa, sa ilog doon sa amin, may mga nakukuha kami, mga tilapia, mga ganyan. Malalaki din naman siya, guys. Pero hindi talaga ganito ba? This is like really new to me. Natutuwa ako na nakaka-experience ako ng ganito na i-share ko sa inyo sa mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Kasi for sure, may mga ganito din guys, like sa Jensan. Of course, maraming ganito sa Jensan, no? Mga ganito kalalaki, mas more than pa nga siguro sa ganito kalalaki guys eh. Pero ako personally, hindi ko pa na-try yun. Mamaya, yung ulam po, dear, I will be cooking later the fish bone that we got yesterday. Lagyan natin ng malunggay. Tignan natin, baka matuwa din si Jan, masiyahan din siya, ipapatikim natin sa kanya. Diba?
So I'm just gonna remove the skin. And add the onions.
What seasoning did you put there?
Cajun seasoning. Don't be afraid. Take a nice piece. Did you order it again?
It's tough. Different from the tuna that I've tried. I mean, pwede naman siya guys. Siguro pag may kanin.
Next trick, don't break the yolk. Haha.
Now that you say it. Don't break the yolk. Just drop the
Drop
shell.
the shell. Be too careful.
Maybe it's better with the rice. Better with rice kasi kanina gilanlan raman nato. May tuyo ang suka dear. Tignan natin kung iba ang lasa niya. Huwag tayong basta-basta mag-judge. Gawan mo na natin yan ng mga paraan. Sos kami nga nito guys sa Pilipinas, ang ginagawa namin, sabawan. Gawin siyang tinula guys ba, tapos malunggay, tapos tanglad. Moringa and tanglad dear. It's already good.
Yeah.
Kusa dear.
Much better.
Hala, ang sarap niya guys. Kulang na daig tuyo ug suka. Antayin ko lang itong shakshuka daw ito guys, shakshuka.
The eggs are getting there.
A little bit well done.
This will be fantastic. The sausages in the tomato sauce and the nice runny egg. Wow.
Ayoko ng medyo runny na egg eh. So, siguro mga 1 more minute. Guys, I'm really happy na hindi ko pinatapon lahat ng isda kahapon sa dagat. Kasi, pwede palang magawa ng paraan. Kung ang mga Amerikano hindi sila kumakain nito, it's okay. Kasi, preference nila yun. Ayaw, hindi sila mahilig sa ganito. Hindi nila nakasanayan. Pero tayong mga Pilipino, guys, hanggat makain, di ba? Ito na siya. Ating shakshuka. Ano sa ito siya? Shakshuka egg?
Shakshuka egg.
Shakshuka egg. Sus, ginoo ko. Sa atin, guys, fried egg, boiled egg, sunny side up. Yun lang man ang alam ko, oy. Sa kanila, may mga suksuka, may mga pritata, may mga kung ano-anong klase ng itlog. Pagkaluto. Kain tayo. Tikman natin ang saksuka egg ni Jan. Marami talagang alam si Jan na klase ng luto ng itlog.
Thousands.
1,000 recipe daw. Pag chef ka talaga marami kang alam, guys. Hi guys! Ayan, excited na ba ang lahat? Yes, dahil kami excited na rin. Ready na itong ating 3 maleta na dadalhin natin sa cruise. Ayan, 7-day cruise tayo sa Caribbean, guys. Dapat 2 maleta lang yung dadalhin ko. Tapos na-realize ko, marami pala akong dalang pasalubong para sa mga kababayan natin na nagtatrabaho dyan sa MSC World of America. And na-realize ko, yung mga nabili namin sa online last time, kulang pala siya ng sardinas. Marami pa siyang kulang kaya pupunta kami ngayon sa Asian store. Malapit lang naman dito. Ano ko, wallet ko pala. Pwede ko naman hindi dalhin yung wallet ko para sa dyan ang magbabayad. Yan yung mga ipinagbabawal na technique. So, quick ano muna tayo, grocery sa Asian store. Ayan, magdadala lang tayo ng bag.
Can we count both of these?
No. Oh yes. Ay, may 2 na palang sardinas dito, oh. Ito yung dala ko ata sa Philippines last time. Let me check. Oh, 2027 pa, dear, ang expiration. Let me check the other one. Oh, they're both September 2027. Okay. So, 4 na lang ang bibilihin natin. And then, mamimili din ako ng mga iba pang pagkaing Pinoy. Kasi kunti lang nabili ko eh. So, magdadagdag pa tayo. Tignan natin kung ano yung mabibili natin doon. Samahan nyo kami mag-shopping, guys. Let's go. What are you doing?
Making the list.
Hi, we're not following the list. I know every time. Every time we go shopping, you make a list. We purchase anything that's not on the list.
Yes.
So?
Where's your ring?
Oh, okay. My ring. Where's my ring? Here's my ring. Somebody is asking, why are you not wearing your ring, Johannes?
We're not supposed to take them off.
Even if it's very skin, mulubog na sa skin.
Very tight.
Yeah, ha?
Yeah, mine too.
Sa mga nagtatanong guys kung bakit hindi ko suot-suot palagi yung aking singsing, it's because huot siya guys. It's not that may hidwaan kami ni Jan or hindi kami nagkakasundo ni Jan. I have my wallet, I have my cellphone, I have everything. Walang ganon guys. We're celebrating our 7th year anniversary. Ano? Ito talaga ang problema ng sasakyan na ito guys. Hindi na siya nagko-close. Kapag pipindutin mo siya, kailangan mo siyang i-manual na i-close na ganyan. Ipapacheck pa pala namin yung sasakyan namin guys sa car dealership kung saan natin to nabili. No, it didn't close again. May problema na talaga sa sasakyan na ito. Bago lang ito eh, mga 1 year kapin pa ito nabili namin guys.
Did it not close again in the back?
No, I had to manually close it. Kailangan mo nang ipacheck ito dear. Ayan guys ha, sa mga nagtatanong, wala po kaming problema ni Jan. Wala pong problema sa marriage namin. Suot-suot ko po yung singsing ngayon. Dahil may nabasa po ako na anong nangyari, bakit hindi ko suot-suot ang singsing. Minsan talaga guys, nakakalimutan ko siyang ibalik. Sinusuot ko naman siya guys, kaso nga lang, hinuhubad ko din siya kasi masakit nga sa kamay ko. I think ipapa-resize ko ito. You think how much is the cost to resize the ring? $100? $70. Okay, $100+. So, maghahanap tayo ng mga jewelry shop na pwedeng mag-resize nito kasi huot talaga siya guys eh. I feel uncomfortable. Huot. Pero, sabi ni John, Yung iba daw pala sinusuot nila ito kahit na malubong sa kanilang kamay.
If you cut the rice, then you save money and you don't have to resize your ring.
Ay, para That's not a good idea. Nagbabalak pa naman ako na bumili ngayon ng isang sakong bigas. Kasi running low na yung bigas natin sa bahay, dear. Oh, speaking of bigas, di ba may nilagay tayo doon na avocado? Remember the avocado? It's been almost a week na, guys. It's still hard.
Because we picked it too soon.
Sabi ko na nga buti na lang hindi pa ako nag-start magpadala sa inyo guys ng mga avocado. It's been a week na and then nakalubog naman siya sa rice. So, hindi pa talaga daw siya ready i-pick up, sabi ni John. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa Asian World Market pala. Asian World Market. Very quiet today. Kami ka-open lang nila. 9:30 sila nag-o-open dito. Usually, sardinas ito. Ayan. Ito yung mga sardinas nila. Maganda yung medyo maanghang. Ayan medyo maanghang. Check natin expiration. 2027. Ayan. So, kuha tayo nito ng 2. We already have 2 in the house, no? Ayan. I-mix and match na lang natin. Mix and match. And then, check natin kung may itlog na Ayan, may itlog na maalat sila. Dadagdagan ko para tagdalawa sila. Ayan. Here. Itlog na maalat. $5. Yeah, I want to give them 2 each. Alam mo naman ang mga kababayan nating Pinoy. Gustong gusto nila yung itlog na maalat. Bala ko sanang maglagay ng wala silang dried fish. Dingdong siguro. Nagbili pa kami ng dingdong, uboy bawang. I think bumili kami. Tignan nyo ang dingdong, $1.69. Bibili na lang ako. Just for fun. Oh my, ganito pala na boy bawang. Ayan, dingdong, Ayan, kasi na-miss ng mga kababayan natin. Another dingdong. $1.69. How much online?
Don't recall.
Okay. I think $1 also. Ayan pala yung talong. Kuha kang talong, dear. Ilang talong gusto mo?
Talong.
Isa lang. Ang laki ng talong nila ngayon, ha? Ay, pretty ng talong nila ngayon, dear. Only one?
Yes, only one.
Okay. Uy, hala, ang pretty ng okra nila.
Very
Ayan, Kaso, hindi man, high in purines man na. Ay, magkuha ka nito.
The prettiest.
Prettiest, no? Kunin na lang natin yan kahit high in purines. Ang ganda dito mag-shopping sa store na ito, guys, kasi ang fresh. Ang fresh ng kanilang mga paninda. Ay, only 2. Ayan, so buti na lang nakakita ako ng ampalaya. Diba? Perfect ito with egg. Silang pancit canton dito, guys, na sweet and spicy, 79 cents. I will give them 6 pieces, 79 cents. So I think we're good. Hi guys! Ayan, so we just finished shopping and the gastos natin dito $48.60. Medyo may kamahalan, no? Kaya alam nyo guys, kaya kapag umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, I always make sure na not always. Kasi last time hindi ako nakadala ng mga pagkaing Pinoy. Dapat pala namili tayo ng mga dear, grocery to give to our kababayan from the Philippines. Remember, the other side of the luggage is empty. Sayang yun guys. How much was the sardines? Sardines.
Should be $1.89 or something.
Oy, trade. Ala! $3?
Let me see.
It's not individual. $3 for 2 sardines.
Alright.
So that's $1.50. $1.50. So nasa magkano ba yan i-convert? Pasensya na kayo guys, nagko-convert talaga ako. I can't help it. So that's 70 pesos, I think. Nasa 70 pesos. Grabe no, ang mahal. Pero sa Pilipinas ata ito nasa 20 pesos ata ito sa Pilipinas ang Ligo sardines. Okra natin is $4. Ampalaya natin $3.29. Dingdong halos halos 500 pesos yun siya guys sa 6 na piraso. Lucky Me Pancit Canton 79 cents yun, no. And na-happy ako ngayon guys because finally, kasi last time it's not available there, no, the crispy fry. Finally, they have new stock siguro. Siguro mabilis mahalin ang kanilang crispy fry. Pinag-aagawan ng mga Pinoy. Buti na lang, pero
it's $1.
dalawa lang yung kinuha namin. Bakit dalawa lang yung kinuha natin, dear? We should stock up. We only got 2. Gonna gone fast. But anyway, ayan na naman. Diba? Ang dami nating nabili. Did we even buy how many in your list?
2 items, that's it. You bought
See?
the whole store.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, guys. Huwag na tayong maglista. Kasi pagdating natin doon sa tindahan, kung ano-ano naman ang mga pagdadamputin natin. Ayan. So, daan lang muna tayo saglit dito sa Lowe's, guys. Bibili lang tayo ng sprinkler and mulch. Ayan. So, bibili lang tayo nito. What do you call this again, dear? Mulch? To keep the weeds from growing? Daming mga flowers din, guys. Ang ganda ng mga flowers nila. Magkakano yung flowers nila, man? Ay, $12. Tag $12. Ang mahal din, ha? Morning. Mga cactus. Ay, maybe they have calamansi. Maghanap din tayo dito ng ang lawak dito. Ay, ang ganda mag-shopping dito. Ito yung kanilang garden area. Maghanap tayo ng kalamunding. Yan. Maghahanap din tayo dito, guys, ng kalamunding. Hopefully makahanap tayo. Kasi may nagsuggest na sa Lowe's or Home Depot daw siya nabibili eh. Hala, ito na nga. Hala, may mga bunga na nga yung iba, darling.
Papaya is $50.
$50 ang papaya. $50 ang papaya. Ayan, mag-message na kayo sa amin dahil may binibigay tayo na 12 pieces of papaya. Libre lang yun. Kasi hala, nagulat ako, guys. Tag $50 pala yun. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Pero medyo malaki na siya. Ayan, Yung laya na gani na, guys, Maghanap lang tayo ng kalamunding. Hala, nagulat ako sa... Ayan, Ay, hala ka, dear. Eto na, dear. Nakita ko na ang hinahanap ko at mayroon na siyang bunga. Ito na ang hinahanap ko. Ito na, guys, ang hinahanap ko, guys, na kalamunding.
Are you sure?
Ang hinahanap dito. Yes,
What does it say?
Dear, kalamunding. Kalamunding.
Okay.
Yeah, ala, they want $80 for this
Wow.
one, guys.
That's a lot.
Ala.
How much is a calamansi at the store?
Huh?
How much is calamansi at the store?
It's very expensive. But this is it will last forever. Not forever, for a long time. Because if you want this one, there's also another one, darling, This one, darling.
For how many dollars? $80? No, I'll wait.
This one, how many?
I'll grow my own. It's too much money.
But remember,
How
honey,
many calamansis can you buy for $80? You could buy a garbage bag full.
yeah, but
And
it
they're
keeps
always
growing.
fresh.
But it keeps growing and grow. It keeps, bearing fruits.
Are you sure?
Yes, I guarantee. I'm gonna pay for that one.
Okay. You're gonna ask for my credit card at the checkout. Bet you.
May pagka-Madam Auring din to si John, guys, eh. Nahuhulaan niya. Ay, ito na yung hinahanap mo. Saan, dear, ang mulch? The red one? This one?
No, the green one.
This is the one?
Yeah. Now you're gonna buy calamansi. It's probably half price someplace else.
Aha. Oy, no ha. Mas mahal yan. Sa online, mas mahal yung kalamansi, guys. Siguro $100, dear. Let me check online. So, chinek ko siya online, guys. Nasa $82, $85 siya online. So, mahal din siya online. Okay na dito. $80. Nakasave tayo ng around $5. Ayan. So, kunin natin tong mulch and then kunin natin yung kalamunding. Yay! Kasi every time, sa Pinas talaga, guys, every time, kahit anong pagkain, almost every meal, talagang kalamunding at toyo. Instead of suka at toyo, kalamunding at toyo. Pine bark nuggets.
Because once I get started, I might put it all along where the hedge is. I can put it around the papayas.
So, 10 na lang daw yung kukunin ni John, guys. This is to prevent the weeds from growing pala. Do you know? Okay.
Yeah, and it keeps the dirt off your feet. The wood from the side of the tree.
Oh, okay.
You can't drive it.
Yeah, it's like the cart in the grocery store. You want to go left, it goes to the right.
Yeah, it's right at home.
Hey, hi. This is what I've been looking for. Calamunding. Yay! Finally, I was able to find it here at Lowe's.
This must be a Filipino Lowe's.
Yeah, this is a Filipino Lowe's. Nangutkot nas dyan og ulo, guys. Wag mo nang bilangin, marami. Hala, ang dami talaga, dear. Oh.
It's
Wow.
$5 a piece.
Bibili din tayo ng soil, guys, kasi ililipat natin to sa lupa. And baka maano siya, dear ba, no? It will shock. It will be shock.
Yeah, they shot.
Oh, ha? So,
So the way to do it,
aha.
I think you just cut,
Okay.
and put it in the ground, still in the pot.
It's very expensive. Grabe ang mahal ng mga yuta dito sa Amerika, guys.
Yeah, it ends up being $10 a bag. That's too much.
Ayan, oh, $10 a bag. 500 ang mga yuta.
$16.
That's for the sprinkler.
Mm-hmm.
Binibili ni Jan is parts yan ng sprinkler natin, guys, kasi magta-travel tayo 7 days tayong mawawala, and usually kapag nagta-travel kami nagkakaproblema yung sprinkler natin, hindi pwede kasi marami tayong mga bagong tanim, so kailangan natin yung alagaan.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
You as well.
Ayan, papunta na tayo sa car natin. Nakapagbayad na tayo $190 para sa lahat ng mga nabili natin ngayon. Pero na-happy naman ako, guys, dahil sa kalamansi. Yay! Finally, meron na tayong kalamansi.
So hopefully that'll fit behind the front seat.
Ay, oo. Will fit. I think it will fit. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-ano eh. Hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. Tignan natin kung ma-fit siya. To fit.
Alright.
Perfect. Ayan, i-bend lang ni Jan gently. Ayan, perfect. Yay! I'm happy I got you.
Alright.
Oh, ang init. $190 plus 48. It's like $250. We should have not left the house
I'm
and
telling
save
you.
more money.
I keep saying that. We'll learn when we're out of money.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll know.
Yay, I'm very happy, guys. Finally, I've been looking it for a long time. Yung ating kalamansi, kalamunding. Ayan, so finally may nakita na tayo. How much was it? $80. Pero okay lang, hopefully mabuhay siya talaga, guys, kasi remember dear, lime and lemon hindi nabubuhay sa bahay natin. So hopefully this one mabubuhay siya. Lagyan na lang natin, guys, ng mga palaman yung soil. We will put the soil that we bought in the ground, and then we'll see. We give it a week or two. Hopefully praying na mabuhi ang ating kalamunting. I'm happy because there's already bunga. Ayan, pagdating natin sa bahay mamaya, i-impake na tayo. Ipapak ko na yung mga, isi-segregate ko na yung mga ibibigay natin sa ating mga kababayan. Nagdagdag ako ng pancit canton, ng salted egg, and dingdong. Yan yung dinagdag ko.
Further down.
Ayan. Yay! Ito na yung kalamunding natin, guys. Lagay lang natin ito dito sa kabila. Ayan. Wait lang. Lagay natin dito. I'm very happy for this purchase talaga. This is the biggest purchase this year. Lagay ko muna siya dito pansamantala. Ayan. Diyan ko muna siya ilalagay. Ayan, para may a little bit of shade siya.
Uh-oh.
Ha? Ay, nahulog. Ang dami. Oh. Ay, kinain ng squirrel?
Yeah.
I think kinain ng squirrel ito. Pwede na siguro ito ma-harvest, dear. Oh. Pwede na, sobrang laki na yan eh. So, abang-abang lang kayo. I think next week, pagbalik na lang natin galing sa cruise. Kasi magko-cruise kami for 7 days. Mga 17, 18, 19. Yan, mag-harvest na po ako. So, PM lang kayo sa akin. Magbibigay ako sa mga bibili ng bag sa atin. Papakapinan natin ng avocado.
Maybe put the soil first.
Hala, ang dami na naman, darling. Oh. Hala, we cannot give it anymore, darling. Because it's already yellow. Hindi na natin to pwede ipadala sa ibang state. Kasi hinog na siya lahat, oh. Magka-problema na naman tayo kagaya nung nangyari nung nakaraan. Ayan, oh, sobrang dami na sa taas, oh. So, sa mga kapitbahay ko na lang, mga kapitbahay, neighbors na lang, kung sino yung mga gusto nito, PM nyo lang ako, punta kayo dito sa bahay. Ayan, oh.
Locals and neighbors, ayan. Hindi na namin talaga ito pwedeng ipadala sa inyo, guys, sa ibang state, kasi kagaya nung nangyari nung nakaraan, kahit green pa pinadala namin, pagdating sa kanila nangalata na. Ayoko nang mangyari yun, nakakahiya. Ang ipapadala ko na lang sa mga malalayo is itong mga malalaking avocado natin, para matikman nyo ang avocado ni Johannes andyan. Ay, we're back home. Grabe, sobrang init. 90 degrees dear, 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. Yeah.
Ito yung mga napamili natin sa Asian store. Additional lang ito. Yung iba dito para sa pasalubong natin. Kasi last time, di ba, namili ako online and for some reason, hindi tayo nabigyan ng dilatas. So ito, nag-additional lang ako kasi may dalawa pa ako dito. So nag-add ako ng dalawa. Tapos, nag-add tayo ng dindong and pancit canton. And later, ayan. I-individual pa ko na kasi ito mamaya, guys, eh. Para ilagay na natin sa maleta. And then, ito. Naalala nyo ba? Tulingan pala yun, guys. Dear, there's a lot of bonita in the Philippines. I didn't realize it's tulingan. A lot of comments. Johannes, you don't know that? It's tulingan. We have a lot here in the Philippines. I've eaten a lot of no, I didn't know that's tulingan because in the Philippines I only eat like usually they put gata or coconut milk with that. It's only a little, so I didn't know it's the same. It's like bigger tulingan.
Coconut milk with what?
With tulingan. Later, yung meat ng tulingan, ika-crispy fry natin. Tapos may nabili akong kalamansi, guys. So yun yung gagawin natin sausawan for later. And may nabili tayo ditong okra. And then may nabili tayo, perfect for egg. For ampalaya with egg. And then perfect for tortang talong. And then what else? Ito, additional din ito, guys. Ayan, salted egg. And also our vegan oyster flavored sauce.
Anti-gout.
Anti-gout. Hindi natin tinatapon ang plastic. Dahil magagamit pa natin yan, pwede natin gawing basurahan ito sa mga basurahan natin sa pasilias. Dapat for lunch, guys, magluluto ako ng tinulang isda. Tapos lalagyan ko ng malunggay, tanglad. Yun lang, simple lang. Pero sabi ni John, gutom na daw siya. So mag-iitlog lang kami ngayon and sausage for lunch. Mamayang gabi na lang yun, guys. At saka yung tulingan. Mamayang gabi na lang natin yun. Okay? So currently, John is cooking
Sausage cheese omelet.
omelet. Ayan. Okay. Sausage.
Very good.
Simpleng itlog, nag-level up.
Delicious. Especially the nice little crunch of the fresh green beans.
Kung ako ito, scrambled egg lang. Hey guys, katatapos lang namin mag-lunch ni John. Nag-iisip na naman siya ngayon na gagawin niya daw yung he's gonna work outside. Sabi ko, it's very, very hot. It's currently 32 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Gusto niya magtrabaho ganyan si Jan eh. Sabi ni Jan, I'm from Florida. It's always hot here. Sabi ko din, I'm from Philippines. It's also hot in Philippines, but I'm not working in the sun. Farmer kami guys, no? Pero hindi man ako masyadong na-train sa farm. Nagpapakatotoo lang. Pero yung dalawa kong kapatid, trained yun sila sa farm. Meron yun silang rice field, pati yung papa ko. Si Johannes, wala guys. Nagtatrabaho din ako dati nung bata-bata pa ako, elementary, high school, ganyan, na namugon. If you're familiar with the term, mamugon, yung magpapaarawan kayo guys, pupunta kayo sa may mga farm, tapos kunyari magpapaarawan, mangguna sa maisan, mangguna sa tubuhan, for 5 pesos per tudling. Tudling is yung linya ng tubo, which is very haba, mahaba talaga. Minsan 5 pesos, 10 pesos, I can't remember anymore. Minsan papakyawin nyo siya guys for like 100, 200, yung medyo malawak-lawak na area. Basta ganun, nakalimutan ko na sa sobrang tagal na ng panahon. Tapos alam nyo, ang kinikita ko dati sa pamugon guys, binibili ko ng song hits, if you're familiar. Song hits, tapos mga pangpagwapa, pulbos, mga pahumot. Yan po yung ginagawa ko dati guys. Nagulat talaga ako dito kay Jan kasi kahit ugtong tutok talaga, nagtatrabaho yan siya dito. Ganyan. He's not only a chef, he's also everything. What do you call that? Handyman. Ganyan. He knows everything. Ang gagawin kasi niya ngayon guys is, papalitan niya yung mga sira, aayusin niya yung sprinkler system. Di ba babiyahe tayo ng how many days? May sira daw sa sprinkler system, so kailangan niyang ayusin para kahit nasa malayo tayo, alagang-alaga pa rin yung grass natin at yung mga fruits natin at mga vegetables natin at saka yung mga ibang ano natin, mga herbs, palagi niyang inaayos lahat bago mag-travel. So mag-i-impake na tayo mamaya guys. Excited na ako. How many days to go? 4 days? 3 days?
This morning the app said 4, but it's 3.
Ayan, 3 days to go na lang guys.
We'll be going out to catch the ship on Saturday afternoon.
Ayan, excited na ako. Mag-cruise ulit tayo guys. Pupunta tayo ng Honduras, Mexico, and Bahamas.
For the picture with the captain.
Hopefully no, hala, sana may makakilala tayo na tutulong sa atin na makausap natin yung kapitan. Kaso nga lang, hindi man tayo sa suite room, darling. So maybe we are not, they will not do it to us.
It's new. Did you do your squats before?
Hala.
Time, and it's time for lunch.
Nire-remind na kami ni Google na kapag squat na daw ba kami, nakapag-lunch na daw ba kami. Uy, you want this one? Kalo, your favorite kalo.
Okay. It fits when I put a towel over my head.
Talawa ba siya, no?
Sprinkler I'm gonna replace.
Only one, darling?
For now.
Grabe talaga, walang patawad talaga si Jan. Untong tutok, nagtatrabaho. Uy, sa mga nagsasabi na inaalila ko daw si... May nag-comment kasi, Johannes, ginagawa mong alila si Jan. Ang mga trabaho na ganito kasi is hindi ako pinapayagan ni Jan na makialam. Kasi lalong hindi kami makausad kung ako ang gagawa nito kasi hindi ako marunong. So, hindi ko talaga alam guys. Kung wala si Jan, hindi talaga ako marunong nito. Siguro magdidilig ako manually everyday. Kasi hindi man ako marunong na mga gito. Sprinkler. So magkabo tayo sa tabay. Bunyagan ang sagbot.
Sprinkler, everything dies.
Na, diba? So, wala sprinkler, mga matay ni mga sagbot. Dili po na ako napayagan. Magbubuan lang everyday.
That's the job for the summer.
Sabi ko na sa inyo guys because a lot of people saying there, Johannes, why are you not helping Jan? If I help Jan guys, we will finish next week. Because first, I don't know what to do. Better pag si Jan ang gumagawa guys, para mas mabilis.
But there can be things in the way.
Okay. Like the pipe.
The pipes can be in the way. Could
Kaya Jan is very slowly guys because maybe there is pipe everywhere.
be the sewer pipe from the house.
Because that's gonna be another problem.
Yes.
Kaya ayoko mag-alig-alig guys kasi ako, hala, doslak ra ko og doslak. Unyag na ay mga pipe dito. Another problem na naman. Okay.
At least it's not hot out today.
Oh, it's chilling. Ayan. Nauna yung sprinkler. Ah, namali. Dito nakaano sa kabila. It started from here, oh. So, i-ano lang ni John, lilisuin niya lang. Syempre kailangan ko ring matutunan ang mga ganitong bagay, guys, 'di ba? Kasi paano kung hindi na magawa ni John ang mga ganitong bagay, 'di ba? So, kailangan ako mag-take over sa mga ganito. Sprinkler, I know it's a lot of effort, it's a lot of work to do, pero lahat naman natututunan, 'di ba? If you hire someone to do it, how much? Easy $100, $50.
That job there is easily 100, if not more.
See? So, I'm very happy talaga na handyman si John. When the car broke, when the sprinkler broke, when what else dear in the
Yeah,
house?
so
Plumbing,
It's expensive enough just buying the sprinklers and the parts.
The parts.
The labor is very expensive.
See? How much is that in the $12 you said? And change? So, we got like 4 of those. Kasi we will replace some of them eh. So, imagine niyo guys ha, kapag hindi marunong si John nito, wala, magbabayad ng $100. Kaya I'm very happy na handyman si John.
I have my air fryer preheating, and I'm just going to lift up the skin and make some holes in it for some of the fat to escape. You don't want to poke holes in the meat though, whatever you do. I'll lightly season it, some salt and pepper. Five spice. I'll put a little bit of soy sauce.
Wow! Crispy duck!
Grill the eggplant. The duck is just about ready. These are ready to go on the grill. A slab of the miso sauce on here. Let it cook briefly. Maybe 45 seconds, 1 minute. Salt my water for the broccoli. In goes the broccoli. I'll set that off to the side. Get the garlic started.
Na-busy ako guys kanina sa kwarto. Nag-edit kasi ako guys. Sobrang bango na naman sa kusina ni Johannes andyan. Tignan ninyo ang niluto ni John guys. Crispy duck. And then, ang ating healthy broccoli. And then ang aking favorite na eggplant with miso glaze. Ay, ang rice ko. Hindi pwedeng walang kanon guys. Kanin ko. I-reheat ko lang siya guys. Excited for dinner.
Can you toss that, please?
Of course. Marunong na ako. I'm your assistant chef. That's the big duck? Only like that?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of bones and
Ay, wag mong itapon yan. Kasi pwede pa yung malunggay yan. Lahat ng mga bukog, basta si Johannes, pwede pa yung malunggay yan. Wag niyong basta-bastang itatapon yan. Ilalagay ko yan sa ziplock guys kasi hindi pwede yung ganyan na itatapon. Madalas tinatapon din dyan ang mga ganito eh. There's a goodness with that one.
delicious broccoli. You can't have too much cheese. Ducky, 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 ducky.
Ganito palagi ang eksena sa kusina ni Johannes andyan guys. Palaging may ganap.
Johannes wanted to go out to eat.
Oh yes, for our celebration of our anniversary. Hindi kasi kami kumain sa labas sa anniversary celebration namin.
We'll celebrate
Pero,
for 7 days.
7 days?
Yeah. Starting Saturday.
Sabi ni Jan, ba't pa tayo magse-celebrate? Binigyan na kita ng regalo. Magkukruise tayo, di ba, for 7 days? Na-realize ko. Nakalimutan ko. Sorry.
In goes the duckling.
Broccoli with parmesan and garlic. You're gonna put the chicken there now.
In the middle.
Ang sarap pala ng broccoli, tapos merong parmesan cheese. And guys,
That is really yummy.
sizzling.
That is crispy duck.
Amazing. Hold it. Picture taking before eating.
Food's cold now.
I don't usually like broccoli, pero this one is really good. Masarap pala siya kapag Then try nyo tong recipe ni Jan sa talong, guys. With miso glaze. Check nyo na lang sa Pinterest. Pinterest to kinuha ni Jan. Okay na ako dito sa
Oh,
wings.
Pinterest is amazing for recipes.
May iba na ayaw kumain ng duck. Some people, they don't eat duck for some reason.
You go to the restaurant, you order it. It says crispy duck.
And then it's not.
It's not crispy.
Depende naman kasi yan sa pagkaluto. Kasi minsan langsa, di ba, ang duck?
It's like they make it crispy and then they put the sauce over it and it ruins it.
Harap talaga.
After a while, it's nice to have something different.
Oh, you know what, dear? There's a problem with the malunggay that we sent to our kababayan.
That's not good.
They rotten. Nasira yung mga malunggay na pinadala. Actually, this is our first time, right? To send star fruit. We should have not sent star fruits, no? Should be because I think the star fruits nag-moist ang star fruits. They sent me a picture. Well, some of them they're still fresh because maybe it was sent 2 days only. Depends on the state. Some state kasi it takes like 3 days, 4 days.
Maybe they're baking the mail.
Yun din, sobrang init. Yeah, one of the message I received.
Trucks or whatever.
She said, it's very hot in our state.
That can do it.
So, I'm so sorry guys. Gusto kong mag-sorry.
It's really a shame. Because
Kasi nagbayad kayo ng shipping fee, di ba? Actually, although freebie lang naman yun guys. Pero I still feel bad. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sa susunod magpapadala ako. Hindi na talaga ako magpapadala ng star fruits. Kasi I knew it. Na balata siya ba? In how many days? Kasi di ba green pa siya nung kinuha namin. Green pa siya nung, ang tawag dito, hinarvest namin. Sabi ko, mahinog talaga ito pagdating sa kanila. Tama nga ang instinct ko. Dapat nag-follow ako sa instinct ko.
very green.
But anyway, huwag kayong mag-alala sa mga napadalhan ko. Magpadala ulit ako sa inyo guys. Pero kung gusto nyo malunggay na lang. Hindi na tayo magpapadala ng star fruits. And then, malapit na din ma-harvest ang ating avocado. Let me know. Yun sa mga napadalhan ko, let me know kung gusto nyo pa rin. Kung gusto nyo ng avocado, kasi papadalhan ko kayo. So ayun, pasensya na talaga guys. Hindi naman natin makontrol yung mga ganyan bagay. Pero yung iba, ginamit pa, niluto pa rin nila. Yung malunggay. Pero yung iba, hindi na talaga. Lantang-lanta na talaga.